Hi! We got our new phones. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. We each got one. Somebody's is open. Whose is that? That's how it was delivered. Let's see. Look what happened to yours. That has my name on it.
I don't mind.
Have your name on it? Yeah, no, I'm taking mine.
Alright, here
we go.
This is exciting.
Unboxing. Yeah, our phones are beat. Look at this. I have the S8 Plus. You see all the cracks on there?
Yeah.
It's terrible. If you can see it.
Yeah.
And she had a case on hers, but it still got a little cracked up, huh?
Oh, out on the front, this is all crystallized glass here. It's really bad shape.
We had them for like 6 years.
Yeah.
Or longer, I think. I don't know. Alright, mine's halfway open.
Alright, so let me get this open here.
We should get a close up of this,
knife,
right?
Please?
You need a knife?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
I'll do the top.
Like that? You want that?
I was just gonna.
I got my knife. No, I don't.
Alright, I'll do the bottom. No problem, Rick.
Alright, let's get the camera looking down on this, alright? Hang on. Alright, here's the top shot. What was in the box? Here's mine.
Woo! Twins!
Yes, it says. See?
Yeah.
What else is in the box? A bag of deflated air for mine.
That's all. Oh, your bubble got hot. I have air, yes.
Oh, look at this. You got air. I got a broken box and a busted bag. Alright, first of all, I'm going to read this. Can you read that? I can't read that. I'm going to get my microscope.
The thing that says important.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Read it.
I need my glasses for that.
I'm going to get the microscope.
Okay. This device is for use on our network and for commercial. You better start that.
I'm going to use the microscope. Let's see.
You gotta go around the corner.
Look at this. Look at these words.
You got the microscope to try to see the first thing you gotta know that's important. Right?
Important. I can't even
peel off.
This device is for use on our network and not for commercial resale. By purchasing or opening this package, activating, using, or paying for service, you agree to the applicable terms and conditions, including mandatory arbitration provisions, which you can view along with additional information, restrictions and details at T-Mobile, Metro, T-Mobile, Sprint, or AssurantWireless.com. If you do not agree, return this device in accordance with the applicable return policy. If you have a corporate or government contract, everything's okay because you get away with anything. Well, it says that right there. Only if you're involved in the government. Everything's good.
Okay. Now, at the end of the box, we see some codes.
Let's see. Let's open them. Phantom Black GS22, that's Galaxy Ultimate 5G 512 gigabytes. All right.
ULT Ultra.
Now we need a knife.
Now we need a knife because that thing doesn't peel off too good.
512 gigabytes. Our other phones were 64 gigabytes, and we thought with a card, we had a card, my card was 32, and we thought we had them loaded up. I had 600 MP3s on there, 1,000 pictures, and it wasn't even full.
I'm bailing.
Wait for me.
I'm waiting.
Wait for me. But 512 gigabytes is going to be a lot. And that's why we got black, because the other colors, they didn't have 512 gigabytes.
Shake it, baby.
Is yours loose?
It's loose.
Are you excited?
I'm excited. I can hardly wait.
Got the government loophole. There you go.
Oh, there you go. Ready? Here we go.
I want to see it.
Anticipation. Ooh.
Nice.
Look how nice.
Ooh, oh.
See this? This is how you lift out
Oh, look
Ultra.
at her. All right.
Like that. Like that.
Nice. I guess you gotta pull. Oh, this is the cover on the back, see?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at it. 5 cameras. We were watching videos about the cameras and about the S Pen down here. Look at the S Pen. See?
Mm.
And it's amazing the stuff this can do.
Oh, it's
Amazing.
a toggle switch to
Yeah,
get it
too.
out.
Oh, yeah. Okay, there's supposed to be a quick start guide. There's no charger, you notice. No charger, no earbuds. We got this to poke out the tray for the SIM card, which we should be 5G now. But how much faster can it be other than 4G to 5G? I mean, it's instant anyway, you know. We just wanted to unbox this for you quick. We got a nice USB-C cord, which we have lots of these around, but it's good to have a new one. Quick start guide. Insert the SIM card. Where's the SIM card? You got a SIM card?
Oh, I don't see it yet.
Uh-oh, inside here maybe. Look. Oh. SIM card. Got a poker for the SIM card.
Maybe it's in this thing.
Maybe it's in the phone already. This is not the key. Insert the SIM card. Would it be nice if they didn't give us a SIM card?
Let's look under the tray.
Oh, yeah, look under there.
I doubt this.
I'm gonna poke this, see if it's in here already.
Well, maybe we should do the quick start guide.
No, there's no SIM card. Alright, hang on. Quick start guide. Where's the SIM card? Insert the SIM card. Oh boy, we're disappointed because it's supposed to be a 5G SIM card. Alright, I called customer service, and for 8 minutes and 40 seconds we finally figured out we use our old SIM card from the old phone, and it should automatically hook up to 5G.
And since we signed up from our accounts where they knew we were already customers with a phone, then they knew that we didn't need a SIM card.
Yeah, but they didn't tell us. Usually you get a new SIM card, right? But he said since you're keeping the same phone number. Okay, goodbye old phone. I'm gonna turn this off. Oh no, I'm gonna leave it on because we're gonna use the app called Smart Switch. There's an app called Smart Switch here under your Samsung folder. Smart Switch. And you open Smart Switch on the new phone and you choose the items you want to move over, and you can make it almost a copy of your old phone. Your pictures, your contacts, hopefully everything goes good. And I have a video of how to do that on my other channel. I'll put a link down there in the video description. I have a second channel called Media Giant. There's a Smart Switch video on there. And we were seeing about all these great videos
Yeah, we have a list of other features besides the
8K video.
It's supposed to have 40 hours of talk time on the battery.
And I don't talk at all, so.
Here's the pixels.
3080 times 1440, that's 8K.
Right, and that's the first thing. 8K video. Super steady video. Embedded S Pen. We showed you that already. Night mode, quad cameras.
108 megapixels.
108 megapixels. Well, I'll show them what the cameras on the back of the
120 frames a second or something crazy. There's just
yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. We saw some examples and we started learning about it on some videos.
There's just so many. Alright, thank you for talking to T-Mobile.
You can set up to view stars and the moon in space. There's a space zoom 100 times. That's really...
Yeah, and you should use a tripod because the shutter stays open a long time.
Yeah, you have to set it a little bit, but it's capable. And it makes a really nice picture from what we saw. bright display with vision booster. You can actually, you know, on a normal phone you have the brightness display. Well, this has a secondary one, which really makes it show up nice.
Long-lasting 5,000 milliamp battery. All right, I'm gonna take the SIM card out. Look, this is the S8 Plus. You probably know how to do this. You got this tool. Stick it in that hole. Push the tray. It tells me check SIM card tray. Pull it out. There's my memory card and my SIM card. And the new phone doesn't take a memory card because it has a lot of memory. But I can put this in my computer and get all my info off of this little thing. Isn't this amazing? You can swallow this. I mean, there's so much information that you can swallow it and
Don't
not
do
know
that
it.
at home.
There's 600 songs on here and 1,000 pictures.
Yeah.
It's insane. It's amazing technology. All right, let me open the bottom here. Put my SIM card in. Same way. And it's shaped only one way that it can go. It's exciting. Do I need my glasses? I don't need no stinking glasses. Don't look at me with this. There it is. Oops. That way. See?
Yep.
It sticks in there, stays in there. If you can see it. You can slide it in here. And my phone will be active with my phone number as soon as I turn it on. Well, you know, sometimes these new phones, they need an update right away, right? Put it in the slot. Push it. I don't even know how to turn this on. Do you? Hold this button on the side, maybe?
Well, that's probably in the quick start guide.
Oh, look at it. That was it. You see it before me. Galaxy. Secured by Knox. Powered by Android. She's going to do hers after I do mine.
Oh,
She's
yeah.
waiting for a phone call.
With your old device. Oh,
With your old device for more information on how to switch. Oh, I know how. Smart
okay.
switch.
Or visit.
Welcome.
Switch to Galaxy.
Start. Now I'm going to go through English and all that.
And it says find the user manual. And tips. And help.
SIM card detective. Restart. Alright, gotta restart. Alright, I'm gonna go through all this, agreeing to the details and all that. Then I'm
After he learns,
yeah.
I'm gonna learn from his practice here, and then I'm gonna set up my own.
It's about 1/8 of an inch bigger diagonally than the S8 Plus. Okay, this is restarting. Then when I choose my language and settings and all that, I'm going to use the smart switch and switch everything over, okay? So thanks for watching.
Goodbye, sweet phone.
I might be using it later. We don't know what's going to happen here. All right, let's not drop these two. This is amazing.
Right.
All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more fun. Join us for supper on Friday. Oh.
Yeah, and some other things.
Good fun coming up this week. All right, this will be fun and keep us busy for a while. Take care. Try that smart switch. It's easy. The whole screen is a screen. It's not nice.
Let's go.
See ya.